Hello children. Now next topic in method is method overloading. Method overloading, that is a function overloading. What is that? It is a process of defining methods with the same method names but with different numbers and types of parameter, that is signature. That means in a program we will use more than one method, but the name of the method will be same. The name of the method will be same with different signature. That is known as method overloading. In a program, more than one function, the name of the function will be same. Function name will be same, but different signature is known as method overloading or function overloading. When you see this is the concept of polymorphism. This is the OOPS concept of polymorphism. This is a concept name, and the program is what? Program is method overloading. Here one example, just see. The name of the method is what? When you see this one, the method name is sum. Here is sum. So all the methods are same, but with different signature. Here integer, comma integer. Here one integer, one double. Here one integer, one character. Here both are double data type. So when you see in this example, the name of the method are same, but signatures are different. That is a part of method overloading. Now thing is how to call in main. So when you create object, this is, suppose this is an object. If you write here ob.sum with 10 comma a, suppose, so which method it will call? One is integer, another is character, means it will call this one. If you write here ob.sum, here is a 10 comma 20, which method it will call? It will call this one. If you write here ob.sum, here is a 1.0 comma 2.0, means both are double. If you write here ob.sum, here is a one signature, that is integer, that means which method it will call? This method will be called this one. This is the way to call all the methods from method overloading. Kindly note down the definition. This is very important topic for you children. You will get at least 15 marks question from this part for section B part, and 4 marks question, that is a part of section A. Alright, now I will give you an example of method overloading. So here in example, what I will do, this is the question. This is a question. Here is a question. Void area area. Here is an integer L comma integer B. One more method is there, area, but here is an integer S. And one more method is there, void area, area. It is double, and what we have to find? You have to find area of a rectangle. This is area of a rectangle, this is area of a square, and this is area of circle. This type of question will carry 15 marks. We'll start with class name. This is class. Suppose here is a over. Write the name of the method, void area, as per the prescribed in the question paper. Here is a int L comma int B. You will get the formula of all the things. Here is a area of a rectangle. That will be what? That will be, you can write here, area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. This part is over. One more method is there, that is void area This is area of square, S into S. One more method is there, that is void area with a signature that is double, and it will return the area of circle. Circle is pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14 into r into r. So this part is over, children. Now to call all the methods inside main, that is not compulsory, that is not necessary for method overloading. If you get the question that you have to call all the method, that time you have to create object and call the method. If that particular part is not mentioned, no need to call the method. After that you can close it. Suppose you have to call the methods. So here I am making the object. This is public static void main. This is the object of that class. And what you have to write, ob dot area, pass the parameter that is 10 and 20. One more method, ob dot area, here is a 5, and ob dot area, this is a 7.5. So thing is what, here signature is what, integer, and here signature is what, double. If you children will write here within bracket integer r, that will be wrong. Why wrong? Because here is also integer, here is also integer. Then when you pass a parameter in main, integer parameter, so compiler will be confused which method it will use, this one or that one. So that's why that will be wrong. What you have to write, you have to change the signature. So here is a integer, that means here you can write float or you can write double. Are you getting it? So this is the wrong way and this is the correct one. This is the way to find the area of rectangle, square and circle. This is one question, children. Kindly note down, and if there will be any confusion, you can ask, you can discuss with your subject teacher. Now one more question we'll discuss here. That you have to find the perimeter of square, rectangle and circle. What you have to find? The perimeter of square. So here is a, suppose here is a void PERI, this is a method name. Here is the integer s, void PERI perimeter, this is integer L comma integer B, and here is one more method, that is a PERI, here is a what, here is a double R. So when you see the name of the method, the name of the methods are same, the name of the methods are same in the program, peri, but different signature. So here this is a class, suppose the name of the class is overload, here is a void PERI with, what is the perimeter of a square? So you can write perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into s. That part is over. Then void PERI perimeter of rectangle, this is a rectangle, is equal to 2 into L plus P. And here is a void PERI double R. Here you can write here perimeter is 2 into pi ka value is 3.14 into r. No need to call the mean. That's over. You'll get 15 marks question from this part. Here the method name are same but signatures are different. That is a part of method overloading. Are you getting, my dear children? Is there any confusion? If there is any confusion, you can discuss with your teacher. One more question that is related to method overloading. That is a part of series. That is a part of series. Suppose here is a method name. One method name is double. Return type is double with here is a sum. Here is a integer x comma integer n, which will return what? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 dot 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 x by n. And one more method is there. This is double, this is sum. Here is a what? Here is a double x comma integer n. So when you see this method carefully, the signatures here integer, here double and integer. It's okay. That x and n doesn't matter. These are local variable. Main thing is what? Signature, data type. And here it will return what? It will return x by 2 plus x by 5 plus x by 8 dot 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 x by n terms. So here class name is over. You can make any class name. Here is a double. No need to declare instance variable, not required. If you want to declare instance variable, you can write double s. That is a common for both the cases, both the methods. Now here is a integer I and double s equal to 0.0. Why double? Because this is divided by this one. We will get a point, answer in point. So right here for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, and s is equal to s plus typecast x by. Execute this one, and then this is a double. Don't print it. Double means what? You have to return the value RETURN. Return what? S. Close this one. Over. Now again create another method. Your method name is what? Double sum. So right here double sum. This is double x integer n. This is integer I, and you write here double s equal to 0.0. So integer and this double is a common here also, here also. So if you want, you can declare here only once. That depends on you. Now for I is equal to starting value is 2, I less than equal to n, which is multiply by 3, and I ka increment will be what? 3. S is equal to s plus, this is typecast, x by I, and here what you have to do? You have to return the value of s. That's all. Now you have to call the method. Now see how to call this method. How to call this method? You can see this side I am writing. This is public static void main, and suppose this is a object of that class. Now what to do? You can store the value and print, or you can print directly. First I am storing the value. Storing means what? When you call OB with this sum, so here integer x, the value of x is 2 or n ka value is 10. It will go there, it will calculate it, and it will return the value of s. The return type will be what? Double. So you can store here double s1 is equal to, all right, and here you can print sum is equal to s1. This is called method number 1. And now method number 2, you can call, or you can call directly here, sum is equal to ob dot sum. One is double, so here is 2.0 t comma 20. What it will do? It will call this method, calculate, return, and directly it will print and close the main. So this is the way to call method overloading in main. This part is not compulsory, that depends on the question. If in the question paper you will get call the method, then that time you have to call it. Normally 95% chances are there you will not call this method inside main, but when you will get the data members or member function wala question, that time you have to call. Means electricity bill or library bill or discount wala question, you have to call in the method. Just see carefully, copy the question, and also you type this program on the system on your computer and just run the program and check whether output is coming or not. After that, again I will explain 2 or 3 programs here. Children, this is the next question related method overloading. You have to find the area of a scalene triangle. Here is a parameter, our signatures are double A, double B, double C, where area equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Next is double area, that is a area of trapezium. Formula will be what? 1 by 2 height into A plus B. Signatures are integer, integer, integer. Next area, you have to find the area of rhombus, where area equal to 1 by 2 d1 and d2. This is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2. This is the question you will get in the question paper. Now how to make this question? Just make here class name. This is a class name. Here is a overloading. If class name is not mentioned, you can write your own class name. So what I am doing here, I am taking a double AR as an instance variable, this time little bit different. Right here, double area AREA. Here is a double A comma double B comma and double C. Double S equal to A plus B plus C by 2.0 for accurate answer. And here write AR is equal to map.sqrt S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And after that, what you have to do? You cannot print it. Why not print? Because here is a double. If here is a void, you have to print it. In this case, what you have to do? You have to return the value. Return here. That's all. Now one more method is there. Double area. You put it. Double AREA area. Here is the integer A comma integer B comma integer height. You can store it in AR, or you can directly return. Directly means you can write here return half 1 by 2.0 into HEIGHT height into A plus B. That's all. Yeah, we can write it like that way, children. No issue, no problem. One more method is there. The next method is what? The next method is here, this one. So here I am writing. I hope you children can see this one. Area, here is a double D1 comma double D2. If you want to store in AR, you can store 1 by 0 to D1 into D2, and finally what you have to do, you have to return it, not print it. All right. Now, as I said, most of the question you don't have to call this method in a main. Suppose you have to call. Suppose you have to call. That time, what you have to do? You have to create the object. This is public static void main. This is optional part I am writing. Here is a OB, and here you can write area is equal to OB dot area with three parameters: 5.0, 7.5, and 10.6. Understood? Now here another method you call area is equal to OB dot area three integer. So 10, 15, 20. And last one again, area is equal to OB dot area 7.2 comma 8.5. Close main, and after that close class. This is the way, children, to make this program, and after that call in main. Once again, I want to share, I want to suggest, I want to say कि call in main is optional in method overloading. Depends on the question. Kindly see the question carefully, you'll get it. Now children, I am giving you two homework. Kindly make your homework and just do the practice. Write the homework. Number one homework, this is a series. This is a double series series. Here is the int n. One parameter is there where you have to return 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 dot dot dot. This is one question. Now number two, here is the double series. Here is a int a comma int n, which will return as equal to 1 by a power 2 plus 2 a power 5 plus 3 a power 8 dot 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 up to n. N means this will depends on this one. Alright, and take another variable for update. This is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3, like that way. This is question number 1, and one more question you have to write here. One more question, just write it. This is question number 1. This is a void. This is a void. Here is a compute. The method name is compute. Here is the integer n, and here is the character ch. Alright, one integer, one character. If ch is equal to capital S or small s, then print square of that number, else calculate and print cube of that number. Are you getting my point? If the value of ch is small s or capital S, then square. Suppose number is 5, 5 into 5, and if it is condition false, then cube, 5 into 5 into 5. You have to calculate and print because void is there. Again, compute. Here is the integer a comma integer b comma char ch, isn't it? 3 signatures, 2 integer, 1 character. If ch is equal to s, then print the addition of both the number, else print multiplication of both the number. Number 3, here is a void compute with 2 parameters, char ch and char chr, and here you have to print the ASCII value of both the characters, and then call in main. Here calling part not needed, but second number question calling part is needed. So children, today I explained the topic method overloading. I hope you children are getting this point. This is a very important topic, my dear children. Kindly watch the video carefully, and after that attend the online classes. And if there will be any confusion regarding this one, you ask your subject teachers. Your teacher will explain it once again. All right? Is there any confusion? You can, if there is any confusion, you can use the comment box also. We'll try to reply your answer. Okay? Have a good day.